Have you ever found yourself puzzled by the complex world of diet and nutrition? It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the abundance of information, the contradictory advice, and the time-consuming task of meal planning. It can seem like a Herculean task to maintain a healthy diet. Introducing Diet in Pocket, a revolutionary app designed to simplify the process. With just a quick snap of your meal, Diet in Pocket can provide you with all the nutritional information you need. It's like having a dietitian in your pocket, ready to guide you through your health journey. But Diet in Pocket doesn't stop at meal analysis. It also offers personalized recipe suggestions based on what you have in your pantry or fridge. Imagine having a weekly meal plan tailored to your dietary needs and the ability to ask any food-related questions anytime, anywhere. All of this is available for a monthly subscription of just $29.90. The best part, you can try Diet in Pocket for a full week, absolutely free. If you love it, you can continue the subscription and keep benefiting from this fantastic tool. Take control of your health today. Click the button below and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier life. With Diet in Pocket, you'll have more time to enjoy the things that truly matter, like sharing joyful moments with your loved ones. Join the Diet in Pocket community today and turn every meal into a step towards a healthier, happier you.